In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your Tradovate account linked to TradingView so you can access your account directly from TradingView charts. First, activate the connection in Tradovate. Log into Tradovate in your web browser. If you use a prop firm site like TopStep, log in there instead. The activation process is the same. Once you're signed in, look to the top left for the hamburger menu, the 3 horizontal lines. Click it to open Application Settings. In Application Settings, go to Add-on Tools. On this page, find the TradingView add-on. Click to activate the TradingView add-on. This enables your Tradovate account to connect to TradingView. Give it a moment to update. When you see that the TradingView add-on is active, you're ready to move over to TradingView. Run Now Connect in TradingView. Open TradingView in your browser and load any chart. With a chart visible, go to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading Panel tab. This opens the broker and platform list that connects to your chart. In the Trading Panel, scroll if needed and select Tradovate from the broker list. A login window will appear for Tradovate. Enter your Tradovate username and password exactly as you use them on Tradovate. Below the credentials, select the correct account environment. Choose Live or Demo. If you're using an evaluation account, select Simulation. Double-check that the environment matches what you intend to trade. Using the wrong environment can cause confusion about balances and orders, so it's worth a quick look before proceeding. After you've entered your username and password and selected Live, Demo, or Simulation, proceed and wait for the connection to complete. You should see TradingView indicate that Tradovate is connected, and your account or simulation status will appear in the trading panel. At this point, your chart is linked to Tradovate through TradingView. From here, you can confirm the connection by looking for your Tradovate account name or simulation label within the trading panel. Orders placed from the TradingView chart will now route through the environment you selected, whether that's Live, Demo, or Simulation. If you need to switch environments later, return to the trading panel, select Tradovate again, and choose the appropriate option. Just remember to keep it consistent with what you intend to trade. That completes the setup. You've activated the TradingView add-on in Tradovate and connected Tradovate to TradingView from the trading panel using your credentials and the correct environment selection. Your account is now connected and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.